Markstor roadside emergency car kit are the best choice for a safe, eco-friendly, cost-effective alternative to a fire flare. Keep this trusty safety flares by Markstor in your car, boat, bike, or backpack as an emergency awareness product. A wonderful gift for friends and family to keep safety in traffic accidents and outdoor activities. 9 flashing warning lights plus flashlight. Markstor road safety flares is designed for a variety of emergency situations and has a battery life of up to 50 hours, namely rotating flash, multi-flash, single flash, rotating flash, alternating flash, SOS, light, on, light, dark, 3 LED light, with complete functions and remarkable effect. Shockproof and Waterproof Markstor high-tech LED road safety flares is super duty. It has a shatterproof lens, even being run over by a truck won't do it any damage. Unlike the traditional flares, Markstor road flare lights does not need to be lit, and it is safer and more reliable. Superior visibility. 360 degrees of bright LED of road flare lights can be seen up to 1 mile at night, so you're sure no one will miss your signals. Markstor LED road flares emergency lights, the best accessory for motorcycle, bike, boating or car emergency kit. Power by AAA batteries. Easy storage and carry. Markstor amber LED light comes with a storage bag for storing in the trunk of your truck as an emergency preparedness kit. It's necessities safety product for a perfect travel or vehicle. A must-have safety kit in case of car, truck, boat, marine, or motorcycle emergencies. Top reviews from the United States. Very pleased with purchase. I am a over-the-road truck driver. I had a breakdown at around 2:00 a.m. I was able to put out the flares on the ground and 2 on the back of my trailer. After another 2-hour wait, roadside mechanic arrived and was amazed he could see the flares operating from over a mile away. Knew exactly where I was.